Morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Flip and Customize. And today we are getting ready for a epic road trip. We're on our way up to Northern Maine. Northern Maine, 6-hour drive north of here. Pretty much the end of the earth, so I like to call it. Actually, never even been that far. Mapleton, Maine, to pick up at least what we think is a '53 Ford F600. So we're getting all our stuff together. We're really trying to be prepared. Jacks, generators, air compressors, everything. It's been sitting in this overgrown field of my friends since 85 or 6. So this is going to be fun. Let's hope we come home with it. He sold the land, so it does need to go. And I want the truck because it's going to be a real cool build. It's going to be our shop truck 2.0. So stay tuned. My neighbor's heading over and we're loading up. And we'll be on the road. All right, I think we're ready. Just gotta hook the trailer up and on the road we go. All right, update. We're in Lincoln, which is about been on the road 3 hours now. Had to stop and use the facilities and get some more fuel before we end up where you just can't access the fuel anymore. So we might grab a bite to eat too. 2 more hours to go, we should be there. Holy shit. Oh my god. There it is. Oh my god. Good. All right, guys, we made it. 6 hours, 300 something miles later, we made it. We found the truck. It's on the backside of an overgrown field. It's literally part of the ground at this point. So kind of trying to come up with a game plan. The good news is it still has an engine. And we can't even see the frame because it's sitting in the ground. So, and it is an F600. So that's cool. And it has a V8 that's still there. So, we're gonna go get the weed whacker, open up this area, and see if we can't get some chains on this thing and get it to move. There we go. We're gonna get the truck and trailer out in the field, hopefully not stuck. I'd say watch for cars, but it's not really an issue watching for cars out here. So here we go. Huh? Built Ford tough. Gonna pull out another Ford with it, I hope. Holy shit, this is gonna get interesting. Stay tuned. Well, here's a good view of the back of the truck. Oh shit. All we gotta do is get it from there to there. From there. What do you think, Tim? Well, I have to respect Fords today. Because this one's been taking good care of us. This smells like death. Yeah. We drove 6 hours to God's country, and now we smell death. All right.
Oh.
It started to move.
We're gonna give it a yank.
Yep. It lifted up that time. Ready?
Ready?
Yep. It's up to you. Well, take one was trying to just yard it out. That didn't work. So now we've jacked it up. We've got boards under the rear end. So we'll try it again.
We're gonna yank it.
Oh. Well.
So it's a good thing we didn't want a long bed because we just made it a short bed. It's going. Oh, it was at the top of the peak.
Yeah.
Okay, I got the fat sweats going, but she's out of the hole. Holy shit, that thing was buried. She's out of the hole. Now rock, paper, scissors, who's gonna steer it sitting on all the raccoon shit? You're full low? Yep. Don't stop.
Don't stop.
Keep going. Going tough, baby.
Yeah. Sit. Yeah, it's moving.
See how easy that was? All we did is just pop it out of the hole, pull it out of the woods, and poof, on the trailer. Done. Simple. Just like that. Look what we have here. F600 arriving. Hell yeah.